Hello everyone, welcome back to my KhmerueTeams official channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to take you or show you how to add meta text with the properly ways, with the correct ways of Google search engine that can make you rank up more than 20% of your searchings in Google search engine or Bing search engine. So today let's get started. The first that we're gonna do is you need to download the file that is in a notepad version. You can download it just below my video here and install it. And after you have been already downloaded, you need to fix or to edit some part of this thing, like the Google search verification code, the Bing verification code, Alexa verification code, and the Yandex verification code. So thing that we're gonna do is you need to register or verify with all of these four parts first, and then you will save your Google verification code just like this. You will see something that look like Google verification code like this, and then copy that and then pass it to this place. It is an example here, and now press Ctrl V and then click on save, and here is the Google verification code. So if you have been already signed up with Bing's account, webmaster tool, Alexa webmaster tool, and Yandex webmaster tool, you will find the code that they have been giving you to add it in the meta text, and you will use that code inside of this place. And the next step is we're gonna talk about your site title. So what is your site title, or what title is talking about inside your website? For example, in my video here, I use my names that calls KhmerueTeams. So this is the title of my site. So thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this title here to my original title here, like this. And you can even put this mark here, and then you're gonna add what is this title talk about. For example, Asians movie speak Khmer, just like this. And the next step is your site title here. Okay, your title is simply it look like it is duplicated with the first one, and but you have to add them with the both above, because one is the meta text and the other is the title. So now I'm gonna replace, copy and replace it like this. And then the keywords. What is the keyword of the site? Keyword is simply look like a text, like the Google text or YouTube text. Now I'm gonna use this instead. I'm gonna use repeat text here to generate without writings. So now I'm gonna type in movie speak Khmer, like this. Now I'm gonna copy all of this movie here, all this take here, and we pass it to this place. And make sure that every speech, every word, every phrase should be have a comma if you write it by yourself. So you have to use it with the comma with yourself, just like this. And the final, the next step is we're gonna talk about the site description. So what is the site? What is your site is talking about? So you can even use the description by default like this. So find your phone and software customer, just like this. It is the description of your site. So you can use it the same, but I'm not gonna use it now because this site will be changed to the movie site in the future. So now I'm gonna change it to free drama movie. Okay, just like this. Speak Khmer. Chinese movie, speak Khmer, just like that. And Thai, for example, Thai movie, speak Khmer, just like that. And then the owner of the site. So what is the site owner of the site? So the owner is put your owner names. Now I'm gonna use like this. Okay, and here is the owner of the site also. And then is the subject. What is the subject of your site? So you can change it the same to the title. So now I'm gonna put it in something like new movie. Okay, just like this. Okay, it is all now. And the next is you're gonna put the same thing like this. Your website URL here and your site title. So now I'm gonna use my URL here. So to edit it, so now I'm gonna place it just between this mark here. So now I'm gonna use that, and then put your title again. Your titles, meta text, drama movie, just like that. Speak Khmer. And the description, if you don't want to write it, so you're gonna copy all of these things, just like this. Copy this and then put it here in this mark here. Okay, and the site names, what is the site name? Okay, now we're gonna put the site names, visuals here, and also watch my YouTube's your site twice. Drama movies. Now I'm gonna say drama movie, speak Khmer. And then it is all now. Okay, it's simply all now. So this time we're gonna copy all of this code here and pass it inside just between the meta text code. It means inside the head tag of your website. So here is the head tag, and here is the block of the meta tags here. So you have to put it inside this place. Now let's go ahead and copy all of this code here. Okay, you can press Ctrl A to select all, and then press Ctrl C to copy, and then we're gonna put it just below the head text here. So now we're gonna press Ctrl V like this, and you will see everything that we have already edited here. So now this time we're gonna click on save here, and everything will be processing, and wait for a few seconds, and now you can see everything is uploaded successfully. And make sure that you have put it just below the head text, and you have to replace some of this code here if you have already registered with that. So don't worry about it. And then okay, and now we're gonna save it and refresh this page. And when someone else is trying to search on Google search engines just like this, you will be ranking up on the tops, on the first of the blogger, just like this. And okay, it look like this, and it will rank up in the future. So thank you for watching my video tutorial.